By 2030, millions of jobs will disappear, not because of the economy, but because of artificial intelligence. Which careers are at the highest risk? Stay with me, because you might be surprised where your job falls on the list. AI isn't just automating factory work anymore. It's coming for office jobs, creative roles, and even industries we once thought were safe. Today, let's dive into the top 5 jobs that are most likely to vanish as AI evolves. At number 5, customer service representatives. Chatbots and AI-powered systems are rapidly replacing human customer service. They handle basic inquiries, complaints, and even sales transactions, all without needing human intervention. Experts predict a 25% decline in customer service jobs globally by 2030. Number 4, telemarketers. AI can now make thousands of calls an hour, personalize pitches, and adapt its responses faster and cheaper than human agents. Many companies are already shifting to fully automated sales outreach, and telemarketing jobs are vanishing quickly. Coming in at number 3, retail workers. Self-checkout kiosks, automated inventory management, and AI-driven shopping experiences are cutting deep into traditional retail employment. Some experts believe that up to 60% of retail transactions could be fully automated within the next few years. At number 2, drivers. Self-driving trucks, taxis, and delivery vehicles are no longer science fiction. As autonomous technology improves, millions of driving jobs, from long-haul trucking to ride-sharing, are increasingly at risk of disappearing. Finally, number 1, entry-level accounting and bookkeeping. AI algorithms now handle complex data analysis, tax filing, and financial reporting faster and more accurately than human accountants. While higher-level financial strategy roles will remain, routine accounting and bookkeeping tasks are rapidly being automated. So, is your job safe? Maybe, maybe not. The real question is, are you ready to adapt? In next week's video, we'll explore the new careers AI is creating and what skills you'll need to stay ahead of the curve. AI isn't here to destroy jobs, it's here to change them. The key to surviving and thriving is adaptation. Subscribe for more ways to future-proof your career in the age of AI.